Hey guys, what's going on? So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this new cupcake model I just designed. It's an origami cupcake. And I'm going to show you how to fold it, and then I'm going to show you how to put the grooves in here, just like what a normal cupcake has. And yeah, and it's got delicious icing on it. And it actually kind of looks like an ice cream cone in a way too. So it can either be called an ice cream cone or a cupcake. But I'm calling it a cupcake because I put the grooves in there. And alright, so ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this model, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami. So, let's begin with the white side up, and let's fold in half. Today's my mom's birthday, by the way, so this will be the perfect video. Okay, and now, fold this edge to here. Okay, so this is going to be the icing, or the ice cream, if you're calling it an ice cream cone. Icing, and this is going to be the paper around the cake. Okay, so let's turn over, and let's fold in half. Okay, unfold, turn over, and now let's turn over like this, and we're going to do is we're going to fold in half. And you don't need to crease the whole thing, we're just going to make a light fold just on this white part, and just do it about like this. It doesn't need to be that strong. And now we're going to airplane fold these edges to the crease. Okay, just like this. Now rotate like this. And no, sorry. Rotate like this and fold this edge to here. Well, actually, you don't have to do this if you don't want to, but I think it'll make it look a little bit cleaner right here. So instead of raw edges, I'm gonna turn over, and I'm just gonna fold this up just a tad, like this. So it's not raw edges. It's a folded edge. Makes it look a little bit cleaner. Okay, now fold this edge to here, and we're just gonna make a couple crease marks. Alright, and now fold this up so the two crease marks align with this edge. And again, you can just make a couple crease marks. Like that. Rotate like this. And now we're going to pleat fold this. So we're going to take this, make it, and fold it to the two nearest crease marks. Okay, and turn over, and let's make this fold nice and sharp. Like that. Okay, and now we're gonna do is we're gonna make this slanted a little bit, because that's how cupcakes are. The two sides are slanted inward like this. So turn over, and we're gonna fold this up, and we're gonna fold it so it's slanted like this. And this is really up to you. This is really to taste. So we're gonna fold it like this, and we're gonna squash right here too. Like that, and just squash it however, it's fine. This is to taste. This is totally up to you. Just do it however you like. So I'm just gonna go for that. Just make sure that this fold we're making is slanted. Okay, rotate like this and do the same thing on this side. So up to you. It's really to taste. I'm gonna try and match what I did here. So make a slanted fold like this. And then squash here. Like that. And turn over. And here we have the cupcake taking shape. And you might like it like this. This is pretty clean. So I'm going to round off the icing more. So I'm just going to fold this in just a little bit just to taste. And same here. Okay, see? Just like that. And that'll make it more rounded more. And yeah, and maybe if you'd like, you can maybe draw some lines right here to make like the shape of the icing or whatever. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to keep it like this. Alright, so if you like it like this, then you're done. But if you want to put these folds in here to make it look more like a cupcake, because that's how the paper is around the cupcake. It's got the grooves in it. Look at this picture right here of a cupcake. So here's how to do that. So turn over and fold this edge to the top edge, and we're just folding on the colored part. And also, this is also up to you too. You can make however much folds you want. So like on this one, this is actually the rough draft right here. See? So this one I put like, I think double the amount of this one. So it's really up to you. You can make as many folds as you like. I think it'll look more like a cupcake if you double the folds like this. But I'm just gonna do it like this because this is simpler and quicker. So fold this edge to the middle. And again, we're not folding the whole thing. We're just folding on the colored part. Like that. And same here. Fold here to there. There, I'm gonna rotate it. And fold on the colored part. Like that. And now turn over. And now we're gonna put valley folds in between each segment. So we're gonna do, I'm gonna take this edge and fold it to the nearest crease. Or actually, this is, I think, a better way of doing it. You can do it like this if you want, but I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna bring the crease and the edge together like this. See? And I'm just gonna fold it like that. There. That's how I'm gonna do it. But you can, do the regular fold if you want. And same here. I'm gonna bring the two creases together, the two mountain folds together. See? Just like this. Alright, it doesn't need to go all the way up to here. It's not going to go all the way up to there, but it's fine. And yeah, just keep doing that. And like I said, if you want to make it look like the purple one I showed, just double that. Double the mountain folds first, and then put the valley folds in between like this. Alright, just like this, and you can bring them all together if you want to make everything sharp. Alright, now just unfold it to taste like this. And there's your cupcake. And yeah. Oh, also I forgot. I'm gonna fold this tip in a little bit like this just to taste. I'm just gonna round it off a little bit right there. I think it'll make it look nicer, I think, in my opinion. See? And there it is. There's our cupcake. Or it can be like a small ice cream cone too. But I'm going to call it a cupcake because I put the groove in here. And also what's cool about it is that you can actually make it spin. Yep, it is an action model. It spins. Oops, trying to get it in the video here. There we go. Yeah, and there it is. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed folding this, and this will be a nice present to give to your mother. So yeah, I'm going to give this one to my mother. I'm going to give this as a present. So yeah, there it is. Well, hope you guys enjoyed folding this, and make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.